Hi everyone, this is Fikayo from fakeitout.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to create rounded corners using CSS. Now, if you've ever done CSS before the advent of CSS 3, you will know how laborious it is to create rounded corners around a box. Then the designers had already resorted to creating images, curved images around the box, and use CSS positioning to actually set these images to stay at the edges of the box. But now CSS 3 provides a border radius property that is very awesome and allows us to create rounded corners in a very easy way. Now I have here, open in Firefox, I have a box, a blue box, that's a background of blue. So I'm going to be setting curved edges on this box. I'm going to make this box have curved edges. So I'm going to go into my code, and as you can see, I have my CSS here styling the box, and the box is simply an empty div with an ID of box. Now, first thing you have to do if you want to set rounded corners is that the box must have a border. The box must have a border. So first set a border on the box. Say border, I'm going to give it a 2 pixel border, 2 pixel solid border. Be good. Just save that and preview. Okay, so now I have a 2 pixel border running around the edges of my box. Next thing I'm going to do now is to set the curved edges. Now to do this, you simply use the border radius property. Border radius property, and set it to the radii of your curve, the radii you want your curve to have. I'm simply going to give this 10 to make it very obvious. 10 pixel radius rather, or radii for each edge, don't mind me. So I'm going to go into Firefox and refresh the page, and as you can see now, my box has curved edges. The very edges are smoothly and nicely curved. It's a very cool and simple way CSS 3 provides with the border radius property to make you create rounded corners around your boxes, around the edges of your boxes. You see, this is neatly curved, and we don't have to use any image. We didn't have to use an image to create this effect. Now, one issue with this property is that, as awesome as it is, it doesn't have a wide browser support yet. And Internet Explorer is here having a whole lot of problems supporting this property. Now, in order to make this property work in at least a wide variety of browsers, even the Firefox and the older Operas and the older versions of Firefox and Safari, you may need to put something called vendor prefixes. You need to put vendor prefixes in front of the border radius property. And to do that, first I'm going to be putting the Mozilla vendor prefix, which is -moz. Then I'm going to set the same border radius, 10. And next I'm going to put Opera vendor prefix, which is -o-, border radius 10, and the web prefix for all WebKit browsers, which is WebKit, radius 10. I'm going to save that, and this is actually not going to cause anything to change, but it's going to keep me in a very safe zone, or rather it's going to make my design safe so that it can work across at least almost all browsers except Internet Explorer. Definitely I haven't, as at the time of this recording, I still haven't seen a version of Internet Explorer that support this. So just enjoy this and put it to a lot of awesome use and have fun. I will always encourage you to visit our site fakeitout.com, and you can also check out our CSS DVD to learn more on CSS. So take care.